Hey, good day everyone. Check out this Deadbolt lock I have here. Let's check this thing out. Some of the features are, it's got a passcode, anti-peeking access code, auto calibration, dust and water resistant, emergency power supply, and a mechanical key. All right, here's everything that came in the box. Here's a look at it. There's one side of it, the key side, and then here's the other side. Got this that goes along with it right there. This, that, the fasteners, got 8 batteries, a couple of key fob things here, and a user manual. All right, here's when I'm installing this thing. I already got the nice door handle installed. Now I just need a good deadbolt. Now this one here will come in from the outside like that. And I'll run this through that hole there because that piece right there is going to connect. That cord's going to connect right there on this piece. So that'll sit on this side like this. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is install this. And you can see on the other side here, it says up right there. So that means we're going to face it up. You go in there just like this. Put a couple fasteners right there. Okay, now I take this piece and run it through the back here. There we go. Now I'll put the mounting plate on. There we go. I'll just screw those in all the way. Okay, now we take this piece and pop that off of there. And then next we're gonna make the electrical connection right there. So we're just gonna snap that right into there. All right, made the electrical connection. You know you got it in there because it snaps on there. Snaps right in there. Then put that like this. And this piece right there will mate up with that little slot right there. So you got a long one and a short one. We're just gonna use the short ones. I already sunk one short one in there, and then the other one's gonna go right through there. All right, it cycled a couple times and actually locked itself right after I got the batteries in there. It's pretty cool. All right, it functions good. All right, first thing you want to do, if you want to restore factory settings, you go ahead and press the set button. Just hold that down.
Hold the button to restore factory settings.
One of the things you can do here too, you can lock it manually like that, or you can just push that button right there. Okay, nice thing about this, you can do fingerprint. There, unlocked it with the fingerprint, and I programmed that on the app, and then you can touch the screen, and then you can also put your passcode in the app. And you can just go to passcode management. And so I'll go ahead and unlock it with the passcode. And then push unlock after you type in the code. Then the other thing you can do is unlock it manually too. Okay, the other method you can do is use your card. Right there, now it unlocked.
Unlocked.
There we go. So this has 4 methods of opening. You can do manual, code, fingerprint, or a couple of cards. And you have to enroll each one through the app. Very happy with this. Thank you for watching, everybody.